Hey, good morning. So, pandas. I'm sure you probably know pandas are certainly the rarest bear in one of the rarest mammals on the planet. So, it's a reason for big celebration when a new one comes into the world. And in Berlin, there recently was a birth. And usually, these pandas, like human beings, are completely dependent um, on their mother for a very long time. They're completely helpless for a long time after they're born. And generally, the public doesn't get to see the like real infant bears, but the zoo, the Berlin Zoo, figured out a way to do this so the public can see. The, the, the cubs are 2.5 kilograms, and you're able, if you're in Berlin, you're able to go there for an hour every day between 1:30 and 2:30. The giant panda is considered an ambassador for species conservation. Only around 1,800 animals remain in their natural habitat. Like I said, pandas are still very immature at birth and completely dependent on their mother for care. Normally, panda mothers only raise one cub, but with animals as endangered as the giant panda, every offspring is of enormous importance. Um, so it's you can see here how incredibly cute this panda is, and they're amazing little animals, and that's the good news for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, as always, you can link to the whole article and read more by going into the description. Thanks.